Is concertina used for dancing? Have you ever wondered how music and dance come together in Irish culture? One instrument plays a significant role in this vibrant tradition, the concertina. So, is the concertina used for dancing? Absolutely. The concertina is a beloved instrument in Ireland, especially when it comes to traditional music that accompanies social dancing. In Irish culture, music and dance are closely intertwined. Many types of Irish dances, such as jigs, reels, hornpipes, waltzes, slip jigs, slides, polkas, and marches, are often played on the concertina. The instrument produces a bright, rhythmic sound that perfectly suits both solo and group performances at dances and gatherings. There are two main types of concertinas, the English concertina and the Anglo-German concertina. The Anglo-German concertina, often referred to as the Anglo-concertina, is particularly favored in Irish music. This version can create a lively, bouncy rhythm that matches the energy of Irish dance tunes. As a result, it is a popular choice for musicians performing at Irish dance events, pub sessions, and festivals. If you are traveling in Ireland, you will likely hear the concertina in action at local pubs, music festivals, and traditional dance events. The instrument is often accompanied by other traditional instruments like the fiddle, accordion, and bodhrán. The concertina's versatility allows it to serve both melody and accompaniment, making it a key part of the music that supports Irish dancing. When you attend a traditional music session or dance in Ireland, you will probably see and hear the concertina being played. Its presence signifies the strong connection between Irish music and dance, creating a lively atmosphere that is central to Irish social life. To sum it up, the concertina is not just an instrument. It is a core part of the musical tradition that supports Irish dance. Its widespread use in settings where people gather to enjoy music and dance together makes it a vital element of Irish culture. For travelers in Ireland, experiencing the concertina in this context offers a wonderful way to connect with local traditions and enjoy the rich musical heritage of the country.